All right, let's get the generator slid out. Gotta change the fuel filter and the air filter. I see the air filter here. Oh, there it is. All right, I got them. Okay, so here's the new fuel filter. Chihuahua. I'll be able to kind of grab it quick. So we'll fill it. ATF. Yes, that's right. ATF is a good lubricant for diesels, and the best thing about it, I mean, the engine don't care, is that ATF is highly, that's what I'm looking for, processed. So one of the things with the diesel, that's why we're changing the filters, you gotta have clean fuel. ATF is polished down to like a micron or something, so it's super clean liquid. Since this thing don't care, it's a fuel. So you can also fill with diesel if you have a post emissions engine, but the thing is you got to make sure you plug that center hole, because the way fuel or whatever goes through a filter is it goes in through the outside and then comes up. So dirty goes in the little holes and clean comes out the big holes. So if you're gonna just fill it with fuel, make sure you plug that center hole and pour it through the little holes. But ATF's just easier for me. So probably this one maybe. Let's see if this is gonna fight me or not. No. And does this have a? See a cutoff. So that's out. This is in, and to here. I don't know what that's a check valve, and so no cutoff. So I always forget. Gorilla this last one on. And you just hope it doesn't just sit there and piss it out. Like that. Obviously the drawback to ATF is it's quite slippery. I think that's why I have this. I would usually hand tighten it, but since this thing is coated in fuel on it, I need to pressure wash this. Ugh. Put a little grumpy stumpy on it. I'm not pulling very hard. I'm waiting to feel a little bit of tension. That feels good. All right. And I like to, if I can, I like to do it where I've got the part number showing too. And I've got them all written down, but you know, whatever. Okay, that was the way I like it, anti-climatic. Too bad the oil filter's right here, and it's an absolute challenge to get to. But we already changed oil last time out, so now air filter, assuming. Man, it's got this little. I've never changed this filter either. It's been a long. I'm doing it because of. Same with the engine filter. It's not. I'm not changing it because of. It's. Whatever. It's years. You know. Regardless of use. I think I looked it up. 4 years, 5 years, you should change the air filter no matter what, just because the media gets damp and whatever. Basically the paper media breaks down. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Ooh, fancy, fancy. Doesn't look bad, doesn't look good either. That's probably in y'all's way. Whatever, I'll stick it down here. That's the thing, every time you work on a bus, it wants attention. Phew, man, it's like my kid. Oh, like that. Ugh. Had that in my mouth. Doesn't taste good. So, got a little turby swirly, whatever that thing is. I'm sure it helped distribute the airflow or whatever. Don't really care. It came with a new. Is that the same as that? Yeah, I'll just leave that one on there. Don't need that, so let's put this back on. If you hear a in the background, I got the Aqua Hot running. That's something else you should run at least at the most. Don't try to go past 2 months. And that's the problem with an RV like this, especially if you're not a full-timer. If you're a non-full-timer like me, everything likes to be used. I hate sitting. So I always exercise everything. That's why I didn't fire up the generator, because I knew it's got a hole. I don't know what the hole's for. Do not use oil. Remove this baffle to empty dust. Okay. No dust. Oh, it has a top, so that's the top. So if you ever do one like these, this hole, can y'all see this? It's just got a hole at the top. Top. I'm assuming y'all are seeing that. It said remove this. This crap says remove it to empty the dust. There wasn't any dust in there. Y'all can't see it, but right here there's a start switch on the control box. Has stop, preheat, which is what I'll do first, because the other thing that does is it runs the little electric pump. So I'm listening. You can hear, maybe y'all heard the sound change. I'm just gonna keep running it. That's the glow plugs too. All right, see what happens.